Hi there, this is Galen Martling. Today I'm sharing Unity Stamp Company stamps and dies, and I'm using lots of them today. And I'm going to share this beautiful yellow and black summer themed, very bright and happy mug card. It could be for coffee or tea. And so from Unity, I'm using lots of kits. I have Love and Be Loved, Love and Wisdom background, Say It Big, coordinating dies, and Blessed, and Happy Everything stamps. And I'm using Spring Coffee and Pink Lemonade paper pack. It's a 6x6 paper pack. And so I'm going to combine these all into this one card. I decided to use paper piecing for some of it. So I stamped the mug in black ink right over a piece of that cardstock that's pattern paper by Unity. Then I'm going to stamp on white just the top of the mug. And so once it's stamped, I just go ahead and use scissors and cut out that mug that's on the floral paper and just trim all the way around with scissors. It's fussy cutting, just cutting it out. Now I'm going to do the same with the stamped lid, the coffee mug lid on white, and just go ahead and cut that out as well. And I just outline the edges in black with a marker. You can use Distress ink as well for that. I just like to finish that off and just accent those stamped lines a little bit more. And then I add a little double-sided tape right behind where that lid is going to go, right over that pattern paper mug. And now here's a little strip of a sentiment background that I am using part of. I die cut a piece of that yellow background. I die cut and I stamped these little bees also for accent and colored them in just with a little bit of yellow and orange. And then I fussy cut those, and I die cut this sentiment, this thank you sentiment, and I'm adding some adhesive onto the back of that and on the back of this background, this scripty background by Unity. So now I'm layering it all, the black cardstock, the yellow cardstock that has the background on it, then the thank you die cut word, and just placing that in there, making it sure it's all stuck down evenly and the extra adhesive is removed. Then I have this friend word that I stamped and cut out from another kit, another kit by Unity, and I'm going to use a piece of that. I decided to go ahead and offset this thank you panel to the right of this card base. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop up with foam tape this mug just to the side of that thank you panel. And I just think it goes great with maybe summary, maybe a gift card can go in this, or for somebody who likes coffee or tea. Now I'm going to place these bees just as accents right over the card front there and just a few different areas. It looks so sweet. I just thought the yellow and black lends itself to bees, so I found bees as part of the Unity kits. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you take a moment to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and have a great day.